Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm here with the new video about present perfect continuous tense. So, yes, today I will teach you the rules, the structure, and what is the identification of this tense, which is present perfect continuous tense. As you know, in the previous videos, I have explained all the tenses about present. Okay, so present indefinite, present continuous, and present perfect. And today we are here to learn present perfect continuous tense, right? So if anyone from you didn't watch that video, so visit my channel and just watch that videos because it's very helpful for you. Okay, and now also you will learn that how you make the sentences, and also there is a uses of do or does, or different helping verbs, how we can use the different helping verbs or verbs, right? Okay, let's start our today's video. So what is the identification of this tense? All right, so this is same like the present continuous tense, but here's a little bit difference, because in this tense, in the present perfect continuous tense, you will see there will be the time. Okay, in every sentence, whenever you saw any Urdu sentences, so you will see that there will be definite time. Okay, so there will be given the time. Okay, so you will see at the end of the Urdu sentences, so you can see these types of words: raha hu, rahi hu, raha hai. It's just like continuous identification, just like that. Okay, rahi hai, rahe hain. So these types of words will be used, but what is the difference? The difference is only there in these types of sentences you will also see the time. Okay, इन टेंसेज में किसी भी काम के शुरू होने का वक्त दिया जाता है, राइट? तो इसमें वक्त दिया गया होगा, राइट? सो इट मीन्स द टाइम विल बी गिवन. ऑलराइट, फॉर इंस्टेंस, वो 1 घंटे से खाना खा रहा है. He has been eating the meal for 1 hour. All right, and also you will see the very important concept you will learn in this tense, that is the use of since and for. Okay, I will also teach you that how you can use since or for. Okay, so first of all we will see what is the structure or rules. Okay, what is the structure or rule for positive, affirmative, or simple sentences? We can give 3 names to these sentences. Okay, so for simple sentences or positive sentences, it's a very simple structure here. Okay, so we will use subject, then has have, and then been, then verb ing form, that we also call this form gerund form. All right, gerund form इसका दूसरा नाम है, ing form का दूसरा नाम है, second name is gerund form. Okay, and then there will be object, then we will use since, for, plus time. Okay, so now keep the structure in your mind and let's make a sentence with me. All right, so first of all think any sentence in your mind. All right, for example, वो 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा है. Okay, so how will we make this sentence? Just think about it. Yes, so he has been writing the letter. So मैंने क्या बोला? 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा है, राइट? सो when there will be the hour, okay, means there is no specification of time, so we will use for 1 hour. All right, but in further you will understand the concept clearly. Okay, since or for. All right, okay, let's move the examples of the simple or positive sentences. Now you can see, मैं 10 बजे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. So now how you make this? So just you have to use the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. The same as I have been waiting for you since 10 a.m. All right, so here we used since. Why? We will see in the next point. All right, वो 2 घंटे से गा रहा है. He has been singing for 2 hours. All right, and now here is the important note. So how you will use since or for. All right. So since you will use where there will be the point of time. All right, so point of time means where whenever there will be the specification of time, where there will be specific time. All right, for example, and where there will be exact specification of the time. For example, मैं 1997 से okay, I'm doing this work since 1997. Okay, these types of words and months name, not months. अगर सेंटेंस हो कि मैं 2 महीने से ये काम कर रहा हूँ लाइक दिस, सो यू हैव टू यूज फॉर. बट व्हेन देयर विल बी द नेम ऑफ द मंथ्स, जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, ओके, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, ओके, सो देन you will use since. All right, and the same just like with the days. Okay, all right, so मैं 2 दिन से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कह ले मैं 2 दिन से ख़त लिख रहा हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मेरे माइंड में अभी यही चल रहा है सेंटेंस, सो दैट्स वाई आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दिस. ओके, सो डेज नेम इट मीन्स मैं 2 दिन से, यू कैन ऑल्सो से मैं 2 दिन से सैर पर जा रहा हूँ. सॉरी, ओके, सो सैर पर जा रहा हूँ. ओके, सो इट मीन्स वी विल यूज़ 2 दिन से, राइट, बट यहाँ वहाँ पे फॉर यूज़ होगा. बट डेज का नेम मेंशन अगर हम कर दें कि मैं मंडे से, so then there will be we use since, right, and also we use since with morning, evening, afternoon. All right, and also when there will be the specification of time. टाइम मीन्स अगर यहाँ पे हो कि मैं 2 घंटे से ये काम कर रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं 2 घंटे से फ़िलहाल काम कर रहा हूँ, सो देयर विल बी फॉर. बट व्हेन देयर विल बी द स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ टाइम मीन्स वहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट उन्होंने इतने बजे, for example 7 o'clock, then we use since. All right, so as you can see that there is a point of time, there is a specification of time in all these words. Okay, and also where there will be last year or any period in the past. if ये वहाँ पे अगर लास्ट ईयर की बात होगी तो since यूज़ होगा. अगर कहीं पे लास्ट 1 year आ गया तो वहाँ पे for यूज़ होगा. राइट, लास्ट ईयर मीन्स ये हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं since we can use with the past period of time. Okay, so past period of time के साथ हम since यूज़ करते हैं, so it means last year. Okay, means past की बात हो रही है. बट अगर as you can see in the for, okay, let's talk about the for, where how you will use for. So for you will use with the period of time. All right, for example for many months, as I already explained about it. Okay, for last two months, for last 3 months, or for example. Okay, and for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours. All right, and for 10 days, for 12 days, you can see. And also for last 2 years, for last 40 years, or only for 40 years, you can see. So as now I think so your concept will be clear. For there will be, you can see that where we use for, there will be period of time, means there is a period of time. Okay, and since is for point, there is a point, it means specific time. All right, so now I hope so your concept will be clear. Okay, about the since or for, usage of since or for. Right, okay, so now we'll talk about the negative sentences. Okay, so what will be the structure of negative sentences? All right, so negative sentences of which tense? Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so you can see what we have to do. We have to do nothing, only we have to add not here because it's these are negative, so we only have to add not. Means subject, has, have, not, been, and verb ing form, and second name is gerund form, plus object, and then we'll use since or for according to the sentence, and plus time. Okay, for example you can see here मैं 1 घंटे से ये गेम नहीं खेल रही हूँ. So what will be the sentence? How will make this sentence? Just look at the structure and make a sentence. I have not been playing this game for an hour. Means I, we put subject, then we use have because we use have with I, and then we use according to the structure we use not, and then been, and then ing form playing, and this game object, and then I use for. Why I use for here in this sentence? Because here is the period of time, means for an hour. It's not specification of time, means for 7 o'clock or for 1 o'clock, how many means how much the time is here. Okay, for an hour, that's why I use for here. All right, okay, वो कल से कोई भी गाना नहीं गा रहा है. right, so Same, we will apply the same formula in the same way. He has not been singing anything since yesterday, right? So we also we also use yesterday there, and this is also talking about the past, right? The yesterday will be about the past, so that's why I already explained that since is also used for the past time, means the time which will be we can say passed away. Okay, so all right, and now we will talk about how we'll make the interrogative sentences of the present perfect continuous. Alright, simply we have to put the helping verbs at the start of the sentence, right? Has, have, and then subject, and then been, and then ing form, and then object, and then we will use since, for, and then time, and then the compulsory thing is question mark. Alright, so let's look at the examples. क्या वो जनवरी से यहाँ काम कर रहा है? So keep the formula in your mind. Okay, we have to put helping verbs at the start of the sentence. Has he been working here since January, right? So we use since here. Why? Because here is a specification of month, right? क्या वो 3 घंटे से लिख रही है? Has she been writing for 3 hours? Now have a look on the fourth type of sentences of present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so the structure will be same as interrogative sentences. As you know what we have to do, we only have to add not here. Okay, so has, have as it is plus subject and not, and then been, and then verb will be ing form. Okay, and then object plus, according to the sentence we will put since or for plus time and question mark, right? So have a look on the examples. Just keep the formula in your mind and make a sentence with me. All right, क्या हम जनवरी से इम्तिहान के लिए सख्त पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हैं? So how we will make this sentence? Have we not been studying hard for exams since January, right? So क्या वो अप्रैल से हर हफ्ते फिल्म नहीं देख रहा है? Has he not been watching a movie every week since April? Okay, so as you can see that there is a specification of month as well as the name of the year. Okay, all right, so that's it about the present perfect continuous tense. I hope so that you understand this lecture in a very well way. Okay, but how I came to know that you are understanding my lectures? So as you know, at the end of the every video I give you the short test which you have to solve, and you have to send me the correct answer, and you have to solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, so just solve this test. All right, so then I can assess you that you are understanding my videos or lectures. Okay, so this is a test. ये लड़की सुबह से कहानी लिख रही है, वो 2 घंटे से नज़्म पढ़ रहा है, हम शाम से चाय नहीं पी रहे हैं, क्या तुम यहाँ जनवरी से काम कर रहे हो, क्या ये शिकारी 2 महीने से परिंदे नहीं पकड़ रहा है? So these are the sentences. You have to create the sentences. Okay, and here is 3 blanks. You have to solve this. Okay, so that's it for today. As you know that now today we have completed the present tense completely, and in our next videos inshallah we will start the past tense. Okay, and also I hope so that you are understanding the videos, the lectures about the tenses. Okay, and साथ साथ जो मैं आपको टेस्ट दे रही हूँ at the end of the videos you have to solve this tense. Okay, sorry, this test. all right, so because इससे आपकी प्रैक्टिस होती रहेगी, और टेंसेस का अच्छा गुड वे यही है कि आप साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग में और ज़्यादा इन्हांसमेंट हो सके. ऑलराइट, सो इंशाल्लाह सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Okay, and we will learn the past tense. Okay, and also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. all right, and also give me your feedback in the comment section as well. Okay, अगर आपको किसी भी इंग्लिश टॉपिक में किसी भी टॉपिक पे वीडियो चाहिए जो आपको डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही हो, या कोई भी टॉपिक आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सके, तो मैं ज़रूर उसको आपके लिए ईजी वे में अपलोड करूँगी. ओके, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए. ऑलराइट, सो जस्ट डू mention that topic in the comment. all right, so Allah Hafiz, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected.